Okay, let's do the cosine curve. I've put in all the cosine values in blue marker. Okay, so the cosine of 7 pi on 4 is root 2 on 2. The cosine of 7 pi on 6 is root 3 on 2. And let's see if we can take those coordinates and plot it onto the cosine curve. Here we go. My first one is I need the cosine of 0 is 1. Now 1 is up here. I'm starting with a peak. Then I need the cosine of pi on 6 is root 3 on 2. Root 3 on 2 is up here. Then I need the cosine of pi on 4, which is root 2 on 2, which is about there. Then I need the cosine of 2 pi on 3, which is 1/2. And 1/2 is about here. And then I have the cosine of pi on 2, which is 0. Then I have these three markings. I need the -1/2, the negative root 2 on 2, and negative root 3 on 2. Okay, so that's going to look like here, -1/2, negative root 2 on 2, negative root 3 on 2. And then I need the cosine of pi is -1, so I've now met my trough, which is about there. Okay, so now we're into the third quadrant, where the cosine of 5 pi on 3 is 1/2, then I have root 2 on 2, then I have root 3 on 2. No, I've skipped a step. I'm here now, aren't I? The cosine of 7 pi on 6, 5 pi on 4, and 4 pi on 3 is negative root 3 on 2, negative root 2 on 2, and negative 1/2, which is about there. Okay, and then I have the cosine of 3 pi on 2, which is 0, so now I'm back onto the axis. Now I'm in the third quadrant. Cosine of 5 pi on 3 is 1/2, then root 2 on 2, then root 3 on 2. Okay, so 1/2 is about here, root 3 on 2, root 2 on 2. And then the cosine of 2 pi is 1. So I'm back at my peak again. Let me just stand back and see if that looks okay-ish, and it does. Connecting the dots, and it looks something like that. And you'll notice a huge similarity between the cosine curve and the sine curve. The sine curve started out like this. The cosine curve starts with its peak, but essentially, they really are the same curve, just starting at a different position. The sine curve starts at the equilibrium, whereas the cosine curve just starts at its peak. And there you have it.